Hey friends, we just read The Gingerbread Man the other day, and I found this one and I thought that it was so cute. So Miss Andrew's going to read you The Ninjabread Man. All right. Once upon a time, in a small house in the forest, a lonely old man decided to make himself a friend. So he baked a gingerbread ninja, a ninjabread man. When the ninjabread man turned golden brown, he jumped up and ran out the door. "Stop!" yelled the old man, chasing after him. But the ninjabread man kept running, shouting, "Kapow! Hi-yah! And shazam! You can't catch me! I'm the ninjabread man!" Along the path a hungry pig was sniffing for acorns beneath the mud. He saw the delicious gingerbread man and shouted, "Stop! I want to eat you!" The gingerbread man twisted out of the way, singing, "Kapow! Hi-yah! And shazam! You can't catch me! I'm the ninjabread man!" So sweet. At the edge of the forest, a herd of cows grazed in a field. One of them spotted the yummy gingerbread man and squeezed through the fence. "Stop! I want to eat you!" the cow cried. The gingerbread man rolled right over the cow's back. "Kapow! Hi-yah! And shazam! You can't catch me! I'm the gingerbread man!" Farther down the hill a flock of chicks pecked at the ground, looking for grain. One by one they smelled the gingerbread man as he whirled and twirled towards them. "Stop! We want to eat you!" They rushed towards him with their hungry beaks wide open. But the gingerbread man backflipped over them. "Kapow! Hi-yah! And shazam! You can't catch me! I'm the gingerbread man!" he chuckled. Then he reached a deep, wide river. He searched for a way to get across without getting soggy. A crafty fox was watching. "I'll help you cross the river," he said. "Just climb onto my back." "Stop!" yelled the old man, who finally caught up. "I can teach you to jump across this river in one single bound." The gingerbread man laughed. "Ha ha, I don't need help from anyone. I'm the gingerbread man." He took a flying leap, but he missed the bank, landing on a drooping tree branch. To his surprise, the old man leaped across the water, grabbing the gingerbread man's arm and taking him safely to the other side. "Wow!" gasped the gingerbread man. "Can you teach me those moves?" The old man nodded. Soon the gingerbread man was the star of ninja school. He learned how to jump across rivers and avoiding hungry foxes. The end. Very good. That was sweet.